You're driving me.
Hey guys, it's Shan. So today's video I'm going to be trying something a little bit different. Now I say that in every single video, but it is something a bit different for me. So in this week's video I'm going to be trying to recreate Halloween eye makeup looks, but I am no good at makeup. Like, I can do my own makeup reasonably well, but nowhere near as good as any sort of professional makeup artist anywhere near. So for this week's I'm going to try and attempt to recreate makeup looks but using art, so just actually taking a makeup look that someone else has done and putting it on paper as artwork. Now I've chosen an incredible artist, like she's genuinely, it blows my head how good she is, called Alice King. I'll make sure to put all her links in the description below, but I've kind of seen her work through friend of a friend, and we met up at Summer in the City like really quickly and vaguely, but she was so nice. So I decided to use her makeup for this actual tutorial, well not tutorial, kind of look. I messaged her beforehand and I was like, please can I use your art? And she was so nice and she was like, yeah, of course. So here we have it. Now this makeup look is so good. Like, I was just like, how the hell do you get this onto an eye? When I'm drawing it quite like big, as in like the scale is a lot bigger than when it's on your eye, but you know when you just kind of, my head's just blown at how you can get it that small onto an eye. It's generally incredible. Please, please, please go check her out. She's so talented. Like, everything she just blows my head, so please go check her out. And this was such a fun piece to recreate. I love all the little ghosts and stuff, and it was just so much fun. It's something a bit different for me because I don't really use pencils to actually do drawings. Like, I've been trying to experiment so much recently, so you'll kind of see on my channel I've used loads of different things where it's literally the first time I've ever used them before. But yeah, I'm kind of getting there. I'm literally usually just a pure mechanical pencil and paper sort of gal. Like, I don't really use any sort of colour. So this was a good test for me, especially with the amount of colour she's got in there. So for the whole of this look I've literally used Derwent pencils. Now, this isn't sponsored whatsoever, like, I literally bought this off my own back, but I think I usually just buy cheap art supplies, like, I'm such a cheapskate. So these are so cheap, and they're actually really, really good pencils. Like, I've not actually used any others, so I can't really compare them, but for this moment in time, they are very good. So yeah, it's a bit different than using makeup, so it's a bit different, but it kind of worked, I hope. So yeah, I actually really enjoyed how this turned out. Like, it does, I'm hoping it does some justice to her actual artwork, because Jesus Christ, she's incredible. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye!